Welcome to our daily movement session. Reach the arms up, step forward. Slowly to start. 10 minutes, low impact movement. We focused on strength yesterday. Today, let's put our attention on movement being a privilege, not a punishment. We just show up for ourselves and we continue to build strength, mobility, balance, and so much more every single day. But how about honoring each movement? Just seeing how fortunate and lucky we are to be able to move our bodies in new and dynamic ways. Let's reach the arms back and up a little higher. Really heat up the upper back and shoulders. Let's take the movement to the side now. Step to the side and reach. It's a nice flow today. We will build strength every day. We are building strength and mobility and balance, so much more. But it really is about honoring these bodies and just seeing movement. It's an absolute pleasure, a privilege. Step a little further, reach over just a little bit more. And maybe this is where you're at. Maybe just this tiniest little movement that is brilliant. You just honor where you're at and you keep showing up, and day by day, you'll be able to move with a little bit more ease and strength. Okay, step back, curl the arms. When you come to the top, squeeze the fists. This great grip strength that we want to increase just by squeezing our fists. You're welcome to sink down a little bit, building that great leg strength. How much of a privilege would we think movement is if we lost the ability to move? What would we do to gain the ability to climb a flight of stairs again? Well, maybe we can't, but can we gain that back? Showing up every day so that when we see a flight of stairs, go, yeah, look at that, I'm going for it. Head up high. Remember to connect your breath to the movements. Real mind-body connection with everything we do. Okay. Sweep the arms side to side. Come up on your tippy toe and feel your body lengthening when you come to the top. Be real mindful of your hands. Open them up wide. Just feel the entirety of your body. And can you notice it in your lower back? The lower back decompressing. Give it length. Begin to look up a little bit. Create that mobility in the neck. Breathe into it. You can come down a little bit more if it's accessible. And again, maybe this is where you're at. Hallelujah. How wonderful. We're moving. We're just grateful for the ability to move wherever we're at. We accept that. Oh, all right, this is where I'm at. Accept the reality. Now I can move forward. Oh, stretch it out. Couple more. Okay. Step back and open up. Really dynamic. Really open up your body and reach that arm back as far as you can. Feel this in the hips, in your chest. Feel a lightness in your legs as you step each way. Point the toe. Really open it up. Head up high. Oh, breathe it in. Again, feel the aliveness, the energy just flowing through you. There we go. Endorphins engaged. Oh, movement is a joy. All right, last one here. Oof. As simple as it gets. Bend and come up. Simple, but how many days is this not easy to do? This one movement is one of the reasons I think we show up and move every day, so we can simply bend with ease, without discomfort and pain. So maybe you're here. That's great. Warm up that back and you just sink a little deeper when you can. And maybe we can add just a bit of pace. Breathe into it and just go wherever you're at. What a privilege to be able to bend down, touch my toes. I truly do feel that way. There was many a time, many a years, where this movement was not accessible to me. How glorious. Come on. Maybe bend backwards just a little bit. Down and then bend back. Last one. Now. Oh, shake it out. Just shake for a moment. Oh. Get that leg up. Again, how about this move? Ooh. How good is that? Just a little twist, a little raised knee. Amazing. Keep your arms up, nice and high. Feel that in the shoulders. There's strength, mobility, balance. We're building core stability here. You know it. But can you find a joy in the movement? And if it's difficult, you can feel the shoulders are starting to, oh yes. Can you appreciate that also? Yeah, we're grateful for the challenges. Ooh, things enhance greatly then. Thank you for this difficulty. And single arm swing. And maybe you're right here. This is the movement for you. Just sort of swaying back and forth a little bit, coming to the ball of your foot. Amazing. I'm gonna spread my legs out a bit and add a bit of a side lunge to it. Maybe that's accessible to you. Then join me. Great flexibility in the groin here as we build this amazing mobility and strength in the shoulder, in the upper back. Let's go opposite arm. Same movement, just using the other arm. We can look up. There we go. Maybe we pick up the pace a bit. Oh, yes. And, oh, how good. One more movement for this session. I know you're going to continue to move throughout your day. Just squat down a little bit and let's open up. Continue to build this leg strength, but just the smallest of squats. Arms come back. Try to bring the shoulder blades together. Head up high. What a privilege to be able to move this way. These are just our starting place. These morning movements, if you will, if that's when you're doing them, great. I think it just sets us up for the entirety of the day, helps us to move more. When we move our bodies, we make better food choices. We sleep better, more self-confidence. Just a bit of movement, and to see it as a privilege rather than a punishment. Oh, yes, hallelujah. You can sink a little deeper, open up a little bit more. Oh, feeling a little bit of pace is necessary. You do you. I'm just feeling so good now. One more. Shake it out. Mood elevated, energy absolutely boosted. I don't know how much strength we can build with one session, but I know every session I show up, my mood is elevated, and so is my mood. If that's all it does, then movement truly is a privilege. Thank you for showing up and being here. Let's just take one moment together, just to breathe, just connect. Really connect to the breath. Watch the monkey mind. The mind will wander. That's just what the mind does. Bring it back to your breath. Every step you take today, every door you open, can we see that movement and be grateful for it, to honor it, to see it as a real privilege. Every time we take a flight of stairs, oh, what a privilege to be able to walk up these stairs. How fortunate am I? Go have the most remarkable day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.